Hello friends, now we see the different type of logic gates. First one is OR gate. OR gate is having two or more inputs and one output. Like this we can simply draw the OR gate. It have two input OR gate. Here we say that A and B, this is their inputs, and Y equal to A plus B, it is output. It should have more than two inputs. If three inputs are there, A, B and C, three inputs are there, and here output is Y equal to A plus B plus C. The truth table of OR gate we can write like this: A, B and Y equal to A plus B. Here if we consider that the 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1, these are the four different combinations are there. So if 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1. So here we say that for OR gate, if any one input is 1, the output is 1. If both the inputs are 0, the output is 0. So in this way we can simply say that the OR gate is such type of logic gate. If any one input is 1, then output you will get 1. For output 1, at least one input should be 1. If both the inputs are 0, the output is 0. So such type of gate, it is simple addition, Y equal to A plus B. So and this is the logical symbol of OR gate. Now next gate, we say that it is AND gate. Now AND gate is also having two or more inputs and one output. So here we say that A and B, these are the two input, and here you will get one output. AND gate is nothing but Y equal to A dot B. Now if there are more than two inputs, then we say that A, B, C, these are the three inputs, A, B, C, D, four inputs. So here we say that the two input AND gate, two inputs are there and one output is there. Now an AND gate, we can say that it is simple multiplication, that is A dot B. So if 0 into 0 is there, the output is 0, 0 into 1 is there, output is 0, 1 into 0, output is 0, 1 into 1, the output is 1. So for AND gate we say that if any one input is 0, the output is 0. If both the inputs are 1, then only the output is 1. So such type of logic gate, it is known as AND gate. For AND gate we say that if both the inputs are 1, then only the output is 1. And if any one input is 0, then the output is 0. So such type of logic gate, it is known as AND gate. The next simple logic gate, it is NOT gate. We can simply draw the NOT gate. NOT gate have one input and one output. NOT gate is one only logic gate. It have one input and one output. So if we say that here A is the input, then Y equal to A complement is the output. If A equal to 0, then output is 1. If A is 1, the output is 0. So which is whatever at input, its opposite you will get at the output. So this is the NOT gate. So these three are the basic logic gates. Which three? OR gate, AND gate and NOT gate. These three logic gates, they are known as basic logic gate. Now next we see the derived logic gates. Derived logic gates, that is first one is NOR gate. NOR gate is nothing but OR plus NOT gate. Okay, OR plus NOT gate, it is known as NOR gate. How it is? The NOR gate is like this. One OR gate is there, one bubble is there. Again here we say that the two input OR gate, or here we can draw like this. This is one OR gate plus, or it is attached to one NOT gate. So here A is there, here B is there, and here we say that A plus B complement. So in this way, this is the logical symbol of NOR gate. NOR gate is nothing but OR gate plus NOT gate, OR plus NOT. So this type of gate, it is known as derived gate. Okay, now we see the truth table of NOR gate. The truth table of NOR gate is like this. Here we say that it is A, here B, and Y equal to A plus B complement. Now again the four combination 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. In OR gate, what you will get? Its complement, it is NOR gate. So 0 plus 0 is 0, its complement is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1, its complement is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1, its complement is 0. 1 plus 1 is 1, its complement is 0. So in this way we can, this is the truth table of NOR gate. If any one input is, if both the inputs are 0, then only the output is 1. If any one input is 0, then the output is if any one input is 1, then the output is 0. So in this way we can draw the symbol of NOR gate and its truth table of NOR gate. The next derived logic gate is NAND gate. NAND gate, again here we say that NAND gate is nothing but AND gate plus NOT gate. Now NAND gate, this is NAND gate. Here we say that A, here we say that B, and it is equal to first one AND gate, and here it is NOT gate. If the output of AND gate, if it is connected to NOT gate, then here you will get the combination, that is Y equal to A dot B complement. So the opposite of AND gate, it is known as NAND gate because NOT is connected. Now we write down the truth table of AND gate. Again here we say that A is there, B is there, A dot B complement is there. Again 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. 0 into 0 is 0, its complement is 1. 0 into 1 is 0, its complement is 1. 1 into 0 is 0, its complement is 1. 1 into 1 is 1, its complement is 0. So in this way, if any one input is 0, the output is 1. If both the inputs are 1, then the output is 0. Such type of logic gate, it is known as AND gate. The next logic gate, it is XOR gate. The XOR gate, first we draw the OR gate like this, and here we say that like this. Here we say that A, here we say that B, and here Y equal to A like this B. So this is the logical symbol of XOR gate. Now we draw the truth table. So here we say that A, B, and Y equal to A plus or minus B. Here we say that 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 0 0. When both the inputs 1 1. When both the inputs are same, the output is 0. When both the inputs are same, output is 0. When both the inputs are opposite, output is 1. So this is known as XOR गेट. ज्यावेळेस दोन्ही इनपुट्स हे डिफरंट असतील, वेगवेगळे असतील, त्यावेळेस आउटपुट हे 1 असतं. ज्यावेळेस बोथ द इनपुट्स आर सेम, it may be 0 or 1, then the output is 0. So such type of logic gate, it is known as XOR gate. This is the logical symbol of XOR gate. Now the last one is XNOR gate. For XNOR gate we can draw like this, and here the XNOR gate, we can say that when both the inputs are same, the output is 1, and when both the inputs are different, the output is 0. Opposite of XOR gate, XNOR gate. Both inputs are 0, output is 1. Both inputs are same, output is 1. When both inputs are opposite, output is 0. So these are the different logic gates which we have studied in this our chapter. Okay, thank you.